What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. So this key fob is only going to be for the vehicles that have a push button start ignition, and it's going to take replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this button here, and then the key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at this the bottom of the fob, near where we just pulled that key out of, we see this slot right here. And if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on this key. What we want to do is stick the key in that slot, and then we're just going to twist it like this, like we're opening a lock. And as we do that, it'll pop the shell apart. So stick in that slot, make sure you have it all the way in, twist, and go ahead and pull the shell all the way apart. And now we see our battery right here. And you can use the key to help you get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. And go ahead and snap the two halves back together. These buttons are just sitting in here, so if they move around on you at all, just make sure they're sitting down in there, and you have your board seated where it needs to be. Then go ahead and snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.